this question is asking us to calculate how much stronger of an acid methanol is than acetylene. We are given the two individual reactions of methanol and acetylene with water and their individual KEQ values. What this question is asking then is what is the KEQ value of this combined reaction where we compare methanol directly with acetylene on opposite sides of the equilibrium? KEQ value can be calculated by taking the two individual KEQ values individually. So our formula will be the KEQ value will equal the KEQ of the methanol reaction, 10 to the minus 18, divided by the KEQ value of the acetylene reaction, 10 to the minus 27. Working this out then, the KEQ is equal to 10 to the negative 18 minus negative 27. Or when we work this out, the actual KEQ value is 10 to the 9th. That means that methanol is a 10 to the 9th times stronger acid than acetylene. Put another way, that means methanol is 1 billion times stronger of an acid than methanol. It is 1 billion times methanol, let me say that again, methanol is 1 billion times stronger of an acid than acetylene.